Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. What if I told you the job you have today, or the one you're training for, might not exist in 5 years? That's not a doomsday prediction. It's the quiet, surprising reality of AI's unexpected impact on work. AI isn't just taking over repetitive tasks. It's fundamentally redefining what work even means. We're going to discover the surprising ways AI is already shaping your future career, whether you realize it or not. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have an actionable plan to not just survive the AI era, but to thrive in it. Let's start with what's already happening. We call this the silent automation. The current state of AI adoption is so seamless, you might not even realize it's there. Every time your email auto-completes a sentence, or a scheduling app finds the perfect time for a meeting, that's AI handling a mundane, repetitive task. When AI began its rise, the initial anxieties were huge, mass job displacement, robots on every street corner. But the reality has diverged. AI is proving to be less of a replacement and more of a turbocharger, illustrating how it's freeing up human potential. For the first time, millions of workers are freed from the tasks they hated doing. Consider customer service. The simple, repetitive queries are now handled by bots. This isn't displacement, it's redeployment. The human agent is now reserved for complex problem-solving and emotionally sensitive issues, the things only a person can handle. This is the new baseline. If AI is taking the mundane, what's left for us? The answer lies in new skill sets, the things AI is fundamentally bad at. We are seeing the emerging AI-adjacent roles, and the skills they require are deeply, uniquely human. Creativity and emotional intelligence are now more valuable than ever. AI can generate 100 variations of a marketing copy, but it takes a human to choose the one that resonates emotionally with an audience, to understand the cultural nuances. It takes emotional intelligence to manage a team, to mentor, and to negotiate. The true competitive edge is now critical thinking and complex problem solving. If a problem can be solved by following a documented process, AI will soon do it faster and cheaper. Therefore, our value comes from defining the new problems, questioning the old solutions, and synthesizing information across vast, disparate data sets to find an original path. This brings us to the most critical new skill: adaptability and continuous learning. The job market is now in a state of rapid evolution. Your career security is no longer tied to one title or one set of technical skills, but to your capacity to learn new ones. So, how do you practically prepare for this AI-driven future? It starts with a proactive mindset. We need an actionable plan to secure your future career. First, an honest skills audit. Look at your current role and ask, what parts of my job use uniquely human skills? These are your transferable skills: communication, negotiation, leadership. These are the skills you need to double down on. Next, upskilling and reskilling. This doesn't mean becoming an AI programmer. It means becoming an AI user. Learn to use the AI tools in your field. Can you prompt a large language model? Can you use an AI design tool? Seek opportunities for formal training or even self-directed learning to integrate these tools into your workflow. The future of work is not about human vs AI. It's about human plus AI. It's an optimistic yet realistic outlook, emphasizing opportunity over displacement. AI is already shaping your future career, but your capacity for creativity, empathy, and learning ensures that the human element will remain irreplaceable. The jobs of the future will be those where we partner with the machine. Are you ready to be the conductor of your AI orchestra? Let me know in the comments. What human skill do you think will be the most valuable in 5 years? If this video gave you a new perspective on your career, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.